In economics, law of demand states when there is an increase in the price of a commodity, then the demand of that commodity decreases, but it's conditional. So condition is when the other things remain same. So that is whatever the factors which affects the demand, that remains same. So those factors are, that is the price of a commodity, climatic condition, income of the consumer, price of the substitute goods. So all these are the factors which affects demand. So the law of demand clearly states that if other things remain same, then if there is any increase in the price of the commodity, then the demand of that commodity decreases, and the vice versa. If the price of the commodity falls, then there is increase in the demand of the commodity. So law of demand states the inverse relationship between the price of the commodity and the demand of the commodity. Inverse relationship, or we can say a opposite relationship, exists between the price and demand. But the law of demand can't explain or doesn't state that how much change in the price leads to how much change in the demand. So for example, if price doubles, so is there any possibility that the demand will be half? Okay, or if the price reduced by 50%, then is there any possibility that exactly the demand increases double by double? So the law of demand only tells us about the relationship, so that is only the direction. So if price is increasing, demand decreases. Okay, so price fall, demand increases. So price law of demand doesn't state the exact proportion or exact measure. The topic elasticity of demand. So with the help of elasticity of demand, so we can study the relationship or a proportionate change in the price that corresponds to proportionate change in the demand. So if there is change in the price of a commodity, so elasticity of demand, so that is a measure of how much change in the price is there, and the proportionate change in demand.